teeth on teeth. Don't bite your tongue. And just breathe through your nose. Good. Keep breathing. I know.
It looks like I'm in pain, but it's good. It's really good.
That's good. It takes your breath away.
Yeah.
Your entire spine cracks. A lot of your ribs crack.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Uh-oh, this one's not here. I'm just kidding. That's our post chick. There you go. Last stretch on your spine. How's it feel right now?
Good. I feel looser. My mid back is fine right now.